Here is another sample for CPA professionals, demonstrating the basic steps to implement data extraction from a financial report. Tools for data analysis and visual reporting are also discussed in this example. Let's open a typical financial report containing account and referrer level data and set up our detailed template from line number 16. As you can see, the line that we selected to create our template from did not contain all the fields that we wish to extract. We need two more fields to record the CNTL2 and the post desk columns. To do this, we expand the CNTL desk or P4 column and split it in three. Once split, we can adjust the width of each field by dragging their edges. Please note that lines containing source in the sixth column do not belong to the detailed or accounts level. They belong to the outer referrers level. To ensure that we do not extract these rows in the accounts level, we will set up an exclude option for P6 and give it the value of source. To make things more readable, let's assign field names from line number 101 and rename this template to account. Please note that both the input and output fields have been created for us automatically and are fully synchronized with each other to make it easier to determine where a particular output value is coming from. Now to extract the referrer level data. Let's start by adding a top level template and changing the name to referrers. Next, let's set up this template from line number 118. Notice that we have picked up some of the account level records as well. To ensure that we are only extracting referrer level data in this template, we need to set up an include option on P5 and give it the value of a source, as well as ensuring that this field cannot be empty. Please be aware that the use of include-exclude filters is just one way to help ensure that your template is only extracting the data that it's supposed to. Let's add three more fields to this template: total sales, gross profit, and profit percent. We add them as tag-based or floating fields. You can see that a few of the line numbers, 122, 125, and 128, are highlighted in orange. This means that they are recognized as belonging to this template, but there is an issue preventing these lines from being extracted properly, so they will not be included in the final output. The reason for the exclusion is shown in the status bar when we click on one of the lines. In this case, the newly added fields are not always present, so we need to make them optional in order to ensure that we do not skip any referrer information in the file that might not have these values. Now, let's add another template to handle the referrer's header line and set up the fields from line number 21. Let's split P2 and P3 into two segments each to extract the date values as separate fields. While we are here, let's ensure that P5 cannot be empty to make sure that we are only extracting the data that we need. Let's run the process and look at the result using our built-in browser. The browser allows sorting, as well as filtering. We can also switch the browser to summary mode and calculate aggregate statistics using any fields for grouping. The built-in reporting tool allows for advanced data analysis as well as visual reporting. Let's set up a quick report by using the post date field for grouping and the amount field for the summary calculation. The results can be viewed in table form, but viewing data as graphs can sometimes be more useful. Let's turn this table into a line graph. Then make a copy and turn it into a bar graph. And make a second copy and view it as a pie chart. Let's render the report. The report can be output to HTML, Microsoft Word, PDF, or Excel formats. All the extracted data can be used for reporting. There are also various aggregate functions, as well as unique grouping capabilities, including automatically generated and custom ranges. As you have probably noticed, all these operations were possible even without assigning any output tables. Let's direct the output to an Excel file, for example, and run the process. If we take a look at the reporting tool again, you can see that the report setups are connected to this output file that we just specified. Any relational database, Microsoft Access, Excel, or flat file can be used as TextConverter's output destination, as well as an input for our reporting tools. This sample project is available for download by clicking on the Get Sample button located on this page above this video. Thanks for watching.